Hey, Wonder Friends, how would you like to learn how to draw a hot dog cat, or a cat dog hot, or a dog hot cat? Boy, that was hard to say.
Here we go! Wonder Friends, time for Wonder Friends show! Yeah! Alright!
Let me get one thing clear. I love cats. I love all animals, but cats have a special place in my heart. Let me get two things clear. I love hot dogs. I think they are really yummy. Do you like hot dogs? Which made me wonder, can I combine two of my favorite things to make a never-seen-before creature and then draw it? Luckily for me, I have you here to try along with me. And all you need to draw it is a piece of paper, something to draw with, and a willingness to try. If you need to pause the video to go grab your favorite hot dog along with your favorite pencil, I get it. I'll wait right here. If not, let's get started.
All right, Wonder Friends, before we get started drawing this cat hot dog, the first thing we do is we need to wake up our brains. On Wonder Friends, we do this. We call this a mindful minute, and it's super easy. So sit up big and tall, wiggle your toes, be here now, be present with me, and take a deep breath. You can say this out loud or to yourself. I am me. I matter. I try my best. I am super fantastic. That was awesome. And you really are super fantastic. Jose, let's get started with drawing this cat hot dog. Cat dog, cat dog, cat, hot dog, dog cat. I don't know how we're going to say it, but we're going to come up with the name. I want you to come up with the name for your wonderful creation we're going to make today. All right, so we're going to start with our page sideways. It's really simple. I wanted to draw with these big old Sharpies because I love the way it looks. You can draw with anything. If I go too fast, remember, you can always pause the video and rewind, or you can do whatever you need to do. I'll be chilling right here. So we're going to start with this cat shape. We're going to draw a shape just like this first. Just gonna make like a bean type of shape like that. And then inside of that, I want you to just draw another shape just like that. Now on the other side of that, we're just gonna draw another shape just like that. Ta-da! That is a hot dog. All right, now we are going to put two V's on top of this. Just like so. All right, and then for the eyes, let's just keep it simple. Let's do like the number 11. Really, really simple. Now, okay, for the nose, we're going to make this little, kind of like a little tiny button type of shape right there. And then we're going to put like a big smile. So let's put like a half circle, just like that. And then let's draw another shape that comes down like that, and we leave that open. And inside the mouth, I want you just to put a little bump, right? And then we can fill it in with our black marker. And now we have an inside of that mouth. Okay, of course, any cat dog would definitely have some whiskers. Guess we can't call it cat dog because there's a cartoon called Cat Dog, but cat hot dog would have whiskers, right? We can put some whiskers on each side of that. All right, and then we're going to put some legs on it. And for legs, it's just real simple. We're just going to put some hot dog type shapes down for legs. Just going to keep it real easy. Now, see how I've made some of them like shorter than the others? That kind of gives it that look that it's standing, right? If you look at a table leg, they're not all next to each other. One might be a little shorter than the other. We're going to kind of use the same idea with this as well. Now, back here for the tail, you can draw any kind of tail you want. I'm just going to draw a little tail that goes up just like that. Put any kind of tail that you would like on it. And of course, ketchup. Right? Ketchup ketchup on a hot dog, right? Ketchup? Yes. We're going to put that by make like a squiggly line. Now, I know not everybody's a mustard fan. I like mustard. I like mustard on hot dogs. I like ketchup and mustard on hot dogs. I'm going to put another squiggly line back here, like a ketchup and mustard combo. If you don't want to put a mustard line on there, you don't have to. You can say it's relish, or you can say it's like mayonnaise, or you can say it's chocolate. Do you like chocolate on your hot dogs? Okay, guys, and then we have that there. You can add a little details once we get to the coloring part of it, but this is the bulk of what we're going to do. We're going to add in details as we color, and if you want, you can get some markers out and color along with me. I have some markers all set out here that I think will work really great to create this thing. Now, if you want to color just like me, it's real simple. At the end of this, you can just pause the video and just color like me, but we're going to speed things up. So you don't have to sit here and watch me color the whole time. We're going to speed things up right now. So guys, you can totally get like a little fine point marker and add in little details here into like the bun. If you put some little dots on there, kind of gives it that bread texture. You can use these little fine point markers to add in any extra little details that you want to add into your artwork, just to kind of give it a little bit more, you know, pizzazz. If you want. Oh, we forgot to put some brows on our guy here. So you can put some eyebrows up in here too. Right? Put some eyebrows on there if you like. You can, you know, add in any extra details in there. You can put stuff like little hearts around here. You can add all kinds of stuff to this thing. And then, you know, as you start to feel like you get, you know, that you're done with your drawing, you know, start to think about any last minute details. Now you can color yours a hot dog, cat, any way that you would like to color. Maybe yours is different. Maybe you'd like to make your bun moldy. I don't care. Totally up to you. But the big thing is make sure that you sign it so everyone knows who made this awesome piece of art.
I hope you had a blast drawing with me, because I sure did drawing with you. Is anybody else really craving a hot dog right now? Remember, the story you want to live is waiting for you to write it. Are you ready? Until next time, be the weird you want to see in the world. See ya!
Hey Wonder Friends, I would love to see the art you create and feature it on one of my videos. With the help of an adult, take a photo of your finished art and post it on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Don't forget to tag me so I can find it. Hey, are you looking for a signed copy of one of my books? Check out my website, wondervillestudios.com, for books, t-shirts, mugs, and more. I also do loads of school visits and would love to hear from you about scheduling a visit. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out all the other fun drawing lessons. Until I see you, be the weird you want to see in the world. See ya!